Hello everyone, this is Anita Brito and I am with the cast of Ji Karda, the very amazing and terrific cast, I must say, because the trailer is amazing. Really loved the trailer. There were a lot of elements in that which I could connect to because I think we all have gone through that. I want to know from each one of you all which has been the most, relatable topic for you all from the show.
I think the bond that all of us share interpersonally. I think all of us have that one element in our life in different people, in different friendships. And I think what is universal to all of us also is school friendships. Like I still have some school friends who I'm in touch, who I'm very close to. Like they're still my core group.
Okay.
So how we knew each other when we were in school and how we know each other today, like they've seen all versions of me evolving.
Right.
So I think that's the kind of intimacy that our characters share, and that's the kind of knowledge each other has of each other. So I think that's my favorite part: the warmth, the relationships, the just the fact that we all kind of bounce off on each other in a difficult scenario or a difficult circumstance. I think that's the most special part for me from the show.
What about
Like same, when you grew up with someone and they've seen all versions of you. You guys have basically transformed together.
Yeah.
So there's this comfort, like bodily comfort. So when you'll see the show, like if I touch Samvedna in the show, so you can see the comfort that we have. And like I am in the show, I am dating Lavanya for 15 years.
Wow.
It's a very long time.
Long years.
And we have tried our best to show that chemistry when you're so used to each other's body that it feels like one.
Yeah.
So like वो बहुत special चीज़ है because I haven't really seen it. Like, I haven't really seen people explore that, and we have tried to do that. So it's a very special part.
Amazing.
I'd like to add on to whatever they both said, but in a way where जब किसी के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा comfort होता है और जब especially it's a big group of people, it even happens in families.
Yeah.
There is no ill feeling, but फिर भी क्या होता है कि जैसे 7 जने उनमें से अगर 2-3 मिले हैं तो तुम किसी और की कोई बात है जो आपको पता है कि यार वो उसकी एक हैबिट है जो थोड़ी इरिटेटिंग है, you're still accepting the person but you'll still bring it up, right? और वो एक comfort level होता है किसी के साथ, तभी आप कई बार jealousy भी आ जाती है, envy भी आ जाती है, एक वो wishful भी आ जाता है जो बचपन से चलता है कि बचपन में वो मार्क्स को लेके होता है और एडल्टहुड में भी किसी के करियर या प्रमोशन या रिलेशनशिप में यार कि तुम्हारा बहुत सही चल रहा है यार, काश मेरे पास भी ये होता. तो you know that jealousy or envy also only happens when people are very close to each other. Distance से नहीं होती है. And I think our show explores that and talks about that also. So you will see that chemistry of a character getting married. You're very happy for her, but even then there's a bittersweet thing of like यार लेकिन मैंने जो लहंगा तेरे लिए सजेस्ट किया था तूने नहीं पहना, वो मुझे थोड़ा बॉदर कर रहा है, बट आई स्टिल विश वेल फॉर यू. एंड ये जो एक शेड्स ऑफ ग्रे है ना जो आपका बहुत क्लोज लोगों के साथ ही होता है, हमारा शो इस बारे में बात करता है जो मैंने तो अभी तक ज्यादा देखा नहीं है. सो आई थिंक दैट इज आवर यूएसपी.
So I think the interesting part is that something which I felt when I was doing the show is I'm not from Bombay, I'm from Guwahati. So I've left my hometown and come here. But the childhood friends, all of us who grew up together, today they're in Hyderabad, they're in Bangalore, various places. Sometimes we meet after 5 years, 4 years, 10 years. But it's like we pick it up exactly where we left off. As opposed to people who you meet now. You might meet them after 3 weeks and it might have to be like breaking the ice and starting all over again. But childhood friends, it's a different zone altogether. And that's what Ji Karda is about. It's not that all these 7 are stuck to each other and always hanging around. It's not. But at 3 o'clock in the morning, when someone is having a meltdown, there is someone for that person.
फिर सातों खड़े हो जाएंगे. Which happens. Like you might I think what Sayan said is so accurate that there are these close friends जो आप उनको साल में 1-2 बार देखोगे, but when the shit going down, then
They are
they're just
always
standing
there, yeah.
by you like a rock. So,
Like I have a best friend who's in Canada. Like we studied together. We were there for we are friends since last 15 years, and
Yeah.
now she's in Canada.
Yeah.
But she knows the moment I message her at 2-3, and she will immediately reply. And she's like, "क्या हो गया?"
क्या हो गया?
That is the first thing, and that is what friendship is all about. But childhood also brings a lot of embarrassing moments as well with everything that we say. But there are a lot of embarrassing moments. I want to know the most embarrassing childhood memory of everyone.
That's
From
such a
our
cute
lives?
one.
Yeah.
मैं तो भुला चुका हूँ.
Embarrassing.
नहीं वो भूलते नहीं है कोई.
कि तो एडल्टहुड में भी अभी तक एम्बैरेसिंग.
So I was working while I was in school. So I started doing my first film when I was in the 9th standard. And तभी ना स्कूल में we weren't allowed to color our hair. But मैंने फिल्म के लिए अपने बाल कलर कर लिए थे. So I was the only अतरंगा person in my school.
कौन सा कलर था?
Like there were highlights.
okay.
Highlights were there. So I was just I didn't know what to do about it because I could not hide those highlights. So I started oiling my hair and going to school. And I used to go like one full like
Champu?
champu
Used to
of
call
next
champu,
level.
no, those
Very
days.
like I think anyone who in school who had a crush on me must have lost that feeling looking at me. Like I look like a bhajia, you know, tala hua bhajia I look. So yeah,
कितना
my
सुंदर भजिया you must have been.
yeah, but like still bhajia, no, I mean. And yeah, I think that was my most. And everybody used to notice ki why is she all of a sudden putting oil in her hair? Because for 8 years of my schooling, I did not put oil in my hair. All of a sudden, every day I have oil in my hair. So in school, it's embarrassing. It's a very embarrassing scene for. And I went to Manekji, which is a very like. It's a very cool school. It's not like a very. They are very serious about studies, but they're still they're very like progressive.
Right.
So yeah, I had a very hard time putting oil and going to school every day.
मेरा भी बालों से ही रिलेटेड है कि मैं
बहुत सारे जनों का बालों से रिलेटेड है.
कि 10th ग्रेड में मैं अमेरिका गया था और वहाँ पे मैंने हेयर कट कराया और फिर उस टाइम पे नए नए चले थे स्पाइक्स. तो मैं वो हेयर कट करा के आया और स्पेशल जेल लेकर आया था और एकदम ना ऐसे कील जैसे मैं बाल करके स्कूल गया और एक टीचर ने मुझे बोला लाइक पूरी क्लास के सामने कि गो एंड वॉश योर हेयर.
Are you serious?
यस तो मैं वहाँ से गया, बाल वहाँ पे धोए, यहाँ से वाइट जेल निकल रहा है और पूरा चपटा अगर मैं ऐसे क्लास में बैठा हूँ तो एकदम से डूड से मैं वापस जहाँ से शुरू हुआ था वहाँ पहुँच गया था.
इंटरेस्टिंग.
Embarrassing. Okay, मैं दांतों से रिलेटेड बताऊंगी. आई थिंक मैं क्लास 2 या 3 में थी. मेरे दांत गिरना शुरू हो रहे थे या होने वाले थे, पर मेरे को किसी लड़के ने चैलेंज कर दिया था कि आप बिल्डिंग से ऐसे अपन चढ़ते ना तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर नहीं लेकिन आधे फ्लोर तक पहुंचते हो, तो वहां से वो लोग कूद रहे थे और ये कहा था लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती. और मेरे को कहा ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया कि लड़कियां नहीं कर सकती. तो मैंने कहा मैं करके दिखाऊंगी. मैंने करके दिखाया. एक बार किया, मुझे बहुत मजा आया. अब तो जोश आ गया. जो सेकंड टाइम किया वो मुंह के बल गिरे और जो 2 दांत है आगे के वो हाथ में आ गए. पापा आउट ऑफ स्टेशन थे. मेरी माँ पैनिक कर गई और मुझे ऐसे 2 हाथ पकड़ के हाथ में लेके गई है, जो आज तक मुझे सुनाया जाता है. बट आज भी कोई लड़का चैलेंज कर दे तो मैं कूद जाऊंगी.
हाथ संभाल लेंगे बस.
ऐसे कूदना.
So, when I was, I think, 9 or 10 years old, so we used to go. There was a relative who had a farmhouse, so we used to go to the farm on a Saturday, Sunday. So I went there one day, and as I got up, there was a football there. I started running around playing with the football, and there came a wild goose, and started chasing me, and I started running. And there were 4-5 of these my bachpan ke dost also there who came out just at the nick of time to see the embarrassing thing happen. I fall over a stone flat. The goose comes, catches me from behind, and there goes my shorts downward. So everyone has now seen my bum. And till today, my friends are like, "तू ज़्यादा ना show off मत बना, बता दूँगा मैं."
But
Yeah.
the only
Embarrassing story.
ये हमारी
Yeah,
embarrassing story यही है.
But if you're telling an embarrassing story, say a really embarrassing
Yeah,
story.
Yeah. But आपको फिर वहाँ से निकनेम तो आ गया होगा, किसी ने तो
नहीं, thankfully not.
नहीं?
नहीं.
But what were your nicknames during your childhood days?
I was
Or you're
Tamu.
still stuck?
Tamu.
Tamu.
Yeah.
Sui.
Sui.
Yeah.
मेरा नाम संवेदना है तो लोग सैम बुलाते हैं. बट
मम्मी क्या बुलाती हैं?
बहुत ही एम्बैरेसिंग घर का नाम है बिट्टी.
Wow. Bitty is cute, but Bitty is
nice.
nice.
Suits you.
Bitty is nice.
बिट्टी. ठीक है,
Sam.
मम्मी खुश हो जाए.
पहले क्यों नहीं बताया था? हमें बोलते थे.
सीजन 2 अब.
I'm sorry, I don't have a nickname.
We'll give him one now.
I don't believe you.
I swear to God, I do not have a nickname. My dad just didn't believe in this entire thing because, you know, I'm a Bengali and Bengalis have very, very embarrassing nicknames. You know, Babu, Bablu, Chipki, बहुत ही embarrassing nicknames होते हैं. So he's like, I'm not calling this boy anything like that which will embarrass me. He has one name, everyone call him by that.
Wow.
So, and luckily everyone did call me by that. I didn't have a nickname throughout school.
It's never been that किसी का nickname ना हो, किसी कुछ ना कुछ तो आ ही जाता है,
Yeah.
कुछ ना कुछ तो हो ही जाता है.
आपका क्या?
Anu, they call me Anu. Anita ka Anu. It's very safe.
Yeah.
But also, G Karda is also about dreams. It's also about. So I was talking to the director, and the director mentioned she had a wish list कि जब तक मैं 30 हो जाऊँ, I want this in my life. I want relationship. I want professionally. I want to be here. I want to know from Tamanna and then the rest of them. Did you have a wish list of what you want to achieve till a certain age, and have you achieved that? No. Then what were they, and would you like to have you chased it?
तो जब मैंने काम करना शुरू किया था तभी दौर ऐसा था कि हीरोइंस की करियर स्पैन कुछ 8 से 10 साल हुआ करती थी. So I did the math and I said by 30 I would have finished working and I would have had 2 kids and I would be married, and I don't know, I had not planned post 30. Okay. So when I actually became 30 years old, I realized that मैं तो अभी पैदा हुई हूँ. So it was like a Purna Janam. I was like, wow, this is lovely. I feel like a brand new baby.
But you still have that dream, getting married and having 2 kids?
I don't think that's a dream. I think that is something that you do when you feel like doing it. I think जो फर्क मुझे इस generation में feel होता है कि today we do things out of choice because it makes us feel a certain way, and we have that choice. I think हमारे पहले जो generation था वो almost like अच्छा ये time हो गया तो ये कर लो, वो time हो गया तो ये कर लो. Apart from scientifically a biological clock, there's nothing else really going against you as a woman. So I think I really don't feel I felt like all my ideas were just so people fed. They weren't my ideas. I only discovered my ideas when I turned 30.
And what are they? Something that you can share? Any ideas that you have
definitely now? I want to explore myself as an actor like I have never done before, and maybe the first baby step to that is Ji Karda. And I'm really happy that Maddock Films and Amazon thought of this amazing original series and they put it together. For me, it's almost like magical that it happened to me क्योंकि मैं मुंबई से हूँ और मुझे शायद पहली बार एक इतना अपना ऑथेंटिक साइड बाहर लाने का मौका मिला. एंड जब मैं अरुणिमा से मिली वो तो मुझे पता नहीं अजीब सी, आई फील लाइक आई नो हर फ्रॉम सम पास्ट लाइफ बिकॉज शी एंड आई आर सो सिमिलर. वी से द सेम थिंग्स, वी and she still gets surprised when that happens. And I'm like, listen, half the time our favorite restaurant in Mumbai is the same restaurant.
Oh.
And like I remember when I reached the restaurant, I was like, this is my favorite restaurant. And she's like, really? And I'm like, yeah, this is my favorite. And she's like, but this is my favorite also.
Wow.
This is just one of the million things that are similar between her and me. So yeah, this show is just, it's special on too many levels for me.
आप लोग?
मैं तो बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेट कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अपनी लाइफ में लाइक आई एम 33 नाउ, मैंने 33 इमेजिन ही नहीं किया था क्योंकि मेरे सारे सपने 28 की उम्र में पूरे हो जाने थे मेरी विश लिस्ट के अकॉर्डिंगली. और फिर आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आता है नई चीज़ें वैसी नहीं होती. तो अभी नई विश लिस्ट है जिसमें एक पर्टिकुलर तरीके का काम करना है जिससे एक एक्टिंग का एक स्तर बना रहे कि अपने मन में मैं और ग्रो होता रहूँ, काम से और ग्रो होता रहूँ. लाइफ में ऐसे लोग आएँ जो आपकी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करें और आपको बहुत प्यार दें और बहुत पैसा कमाएं.
तो मेरी तो कोई विश लिस्ट नहीं थी कि 30 तक कहीं पहुंचना है, वैसा नहीं था. बट चाइल्डहुड एक्टर सपना था एक्टर बनने का, और मैं बिल्कुल भी उस डायरेक्शन में नहीं थी. ना तो मैं, क्योंकि मैं बॉम्बे से भी नहीं हूँ, मेरी फैमिली इस इंडस्ट्री से नहीं है, और मैंने जाके मेडिसिन की पढ़ाई की. तो मुझे 18 पे तो लगता था कि ये तो पॉसिबिलिटी ही नहीं है अपने लिए. तो मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं था कि ये होगा. एक्टर बनना था, वो था बस, एक वो चीज़ पता थी. एंड आई थिंक सिर्फ उसको पकड़ के चलते 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 आई फिनिश माई एजुकेशन, बट देन आई फाउंड माई वे टू बॉम्बे, देन आई फाउंड माई वे टू द इंडस्ट्री, एंड इट्स बीन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई डिडंट हैव फिक्स्ड आइडियाज अबाउट, अगेन जैसे इन्होंने कहा कि एक सोसाइटी का हमें परसीव्ड प्रेशर लगता है कि कितना तो सोसाइटी नहीं कर रही होती है, पर आपको लगता है कि आपसे ये उम्मीद है. एंड आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई डिडंट गिव इन टू दैट, एंड दैट गाइडिंग स्टार वाज दैट एक्टर बनना है. So for me, this was a very far away reality which I had never dreamt of, and I'm very lucky that I'm sitting here with all of you, and I'm saying that watch my show on Prime Video. I didn't even think I would say things like this. So yeah, very grateful.
I think I think we all wanted to be actors very early on in life. I knew I wanted to be an actor at the age of 18, 19. Came to Bombay and I thought कि by 30 I'll be successful, I'll get everything that I want. My posters will be up in Lokhandwala Circle and Juhu. And all of that eventually started going towards reality, and you suddenly start growing older and more mature and more evolved, and you say, okay, you know what, it's not going to be like that. It's going to be a little different. So yeah, bang on. I was in my 30s and I was like, okay, I'm nothing of that. I was on the verge of giving up acting a couple of years back, saying, hey, I don't think this is going to happen. Let me just throw it and let me go do something else, you know. But hey, then Ji Karda happened, and I think now there are new goals. You know, I want to see where I am at maybe mid 40 or at 50 or at 55, knowing that life doesn't just start and end at 30. You know, and we are not as you know, samajdar or whatever at 30. 30 is also just a number. You're still learning. You're still growing as an individual.
Right. But there's a dialogue in the trailer where FOMO की वजह से हम गलत गाड़ी में चले जाते हैं.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ अभी लग रहा है you all are feeling कि something you all are missing out, and have you all done it? ऐसा the pressure या वो fear of missing out में?
I can say it for all of us. I feel like हमने कहीं ना कहीं वो FOMO को overcome किया है. Like I think I know a lot of people closely जो क्योंकि वो चीज़ करने का वक्त हो गया इसीलिए वो चीज़ कर रहे हैं, not because उनको वो चाहिए.
हाँ.
ये क्लैरिटी अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुछ लोगों को वो चीज़ करने के बाद आती है. Something that was told to them or expected of them and they gave in. Sometimes it's hard to hold back and not give in, but I think it's quite relevant कि ऐसे I mean और the funny part is वो इतना blur idea होता है ना कि is this your opinion or is this people's perception of what should happen to you? I think वो बहुत blur होता है, and till you don't understand the difference between the two, till then the FOMO gets the better of you.
But right now everyone is either getting married, engaged or
Yeah.
having kids. Are you feeling कि मुझे भी कर लेना चाहिए शादी?
I feel like you should get married when you want to get married. Marriage is a responsibility.
Yeah, it is.
It's not a party. Party करनी तो party कर लो. वो अलग है.
Not a party.
If I really
I
want
agree
to party,
totally.
it's work, and so is having a plant, and so is having a dog, and so is having kids.
Yeah.
You know, so when you are ready for a responsibility like that, which is that like important, then you do it, not because time हो गया.
लोग कर रहे हैं तो
सब कर रहे हैं
Just company
आजकल.
के लिए.
मैंने अभी इंस्टाग्राम में पढ़ लिया था कि सब शादी कर रहे हैं, सबको बच्चे हो रहे हैं, तो इंस्टाग्राम का नाम ही चेंज करके या तो शादी.com कर दो
Wow.
या तो कुछ और कर दो, because everyone is getting married and that's all you can see on Instagram currently. But before I leave, I have a quick game of rapid fire that I have to do with you all. Tamanna, one rumor about you that's true.
That I'm a part of Avatar Part 3.
Okay,
It's a joke.
that's true.
But my God, I was like,
I wanted it to be true. It's not.
I'm manifesting.
I'm manifesting it.
Okay. Finish the phrase. The way to your heart is?
Just reciprocate.
Okay. Your 4 AM friend is?
my 4 AM friend, Smita.
Okay. One thing that makes you feel sexy?
My hair.
I knew you were going to say that. I was like, his hair.
Okay. I'll start with you again. If you were a product, what would be your tagline?
If I was a product,
I like her. Melroy is coming to life.
buy me.
That is accurate. Yes.
Okay. What would you say if a woman hits on you?
A woman hits on me. I am flattered. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. 2 male actors you would like to be paired opposite in a film?
Manoj Bajpayee, and like he's deceased now, like Mr. Irfan Khan. Really dear to my heart.
Okay. Tamanna, if you were stuck in a lift with Allu Arjun, Yash, Ajay Devgan and Akshay Kumar, what would you do?
फोन निकाल के शूट करना शुरू कर देती और फिर जब सब लिफ्ट खुल जाती तो अपलोड कर लेती.
Okay. This is the last round. 3 qualities in a man. What are the 3 qualities that you would like in your man?
Kindness, humor, and should just get me food all the time.
Ooh. I heard you're a big foodie. Okay. A film you would recommend?
Lagan.
Okay. What did you read most? What did you recently read?
You mean like a book?
Yeah, anything.
Recently read. Behave. It's about human behavior.
Okay. One person on the internet that you currently crushing on?
Disha Pat.
Okay. Lastly, one word for Ji Karda from all of us.
Pyar. Pyar.
दोस्ती देखो
देखो
15 June.
Okay, well, on that note, thank you so much,
Thank you.
guys. It was
Thank you.
lovely talking to you all, and
Same
all
here.
the very best for the
Thank
show.
you.
Thank you.